What's up, everybody? We are live. Welcome back for some live analysis and some gameplay. Hope you guys are doing blessed today. It's gonna be a short and sweet stream. Gotta get right to it. Today's been an interesting day. I want to say I hope everybody's doing well. That's watching tonight, and everybody's safe. I just want to also let you guys know that today, what I mean by interesting day, caught a squirrel today. Squirrel got it into my sister's place, and we got rid of it. We did kill it. Don't worry. We caught it in a cage and had to release it. So it's an interesting day today. So nothing too crazy, but just wanted to share that with you guys because sometimes you just never know how your day's gotta go. Like this the other day, I told you guys I wanted to stream. I wanted to stream on Sunday. Did not happen. Did not go according to plan. I wanted to stream also on Saturday, but it's just one of those things that you just never know what's gonna happen until the day goes by. But I just want to say what's up. So this is stream 2, easing myself back into the streaming game. I'll give you guys some technical analysis, and I do want to share the gold chart that we took a trade on last week. It did really well, and I think you guys will appreciate it if you did take the trade as well, because we do not miss over here. So let me go ahead and show you guys that. So let me bring that up. Let me see. This is actually Bitcoin right now, so hold on. Let me pull up gold. Let's see. So yeah, this was gold when we looked at it last, if y'all remember. Let me go ahead and do this a bit. And I also changed the candles to Heikin-Ashi. I wanted to test something out with the Heikin-Ashi candles. But last time we looked at this market, I believe it was Thursday or Friday. When we looked at it in this area, I was saying to go long here. The reason being for going long was we kept seeing the market making higher lows. And technically, if you want to really get into it, it was really making this triangle here, and it finally broke out. So consolidation, accumulation, whatever you want to call it, in this triangle, then finally it broke to the upside. And another reason why we were looking bullish was because we were looking at TDI on the 1 hour and also on the 4 hour time frame, which was telling us to go long anyway. But I just wanted to update you guys on this move. I did say that this was going to be a weird area to play in the market because the market was, it was fighting at this weird area of support. So it did hit stop loss, and then if you were paying attention, I said you could get back on a re-entry if it does around this area. So it did hit, and then it took off. So overall, still a good trade. It went well. Now that gold is taking off, it already hit all 4 targets. It hit that first N wave target, that 1-to-1 ratio. Then it hit the E level up here and beyond. So now it's just trying to figure out where is gold going, based off the, let's say, the weekly time frame. Let's go there. The weekly time frame is still very strong to the upside, very bullish. I believe it's got to hit the 4K range on gold, to be honest. At the way it's going. Let's see, where was that? Up here. Let me go ahead and put that in. About right here. That will be the next psychological zone that price is going to test at, I believe. Also, another area that I would like to see price test itself at, right in here at the 3,900 level. It's always these even numbers that market test itself at. So I expect price to move into these zones here, and then we'll see what's gonna happen after that. But that's just me. I do think the market is looking good. I do think the market is very strong on gold. These areas here are going to be very good for for a test to see where price could go further in the future. But let me see. And Ichimoku is very strong. You got a strong span A, a strong span B. You got a strong Tinkin and Kijun line aiming to the upside. And you also got a free Chico span, which is also a good sign. And then also looking at Heikin-Ashi candles, it's still showing strong momentum to the upside with nothing but bullish candles to the upside. So I do like this overall. I really do believe that's going to hit this area, the 3900 to the 4K range. And then probably in between or around this area, we'll see if the market will slow down. The thing I do see as well, the further price gets away from the baseline, this blue line here, or Kijun, the stronger the magnet of the move will be to the downside. So that's something that I'm also considering long term. But overall, it is very strong to the upside, bullish. So that's just something to take note of until we start to see signs of that. So far, no signs of that. There is, let's see, there is some divergence building up, but I still think we'll get up here before divergence truly showed its, truly showed its hand in this area. Let's see. Also, the news that's been swirling around lately, that the government's going to shut down, which I do think will play a role in a lot of these currencies drop to the downside. So I do think most of these currencies will move up first before we take a plunge to the downside. Looking at the Dow Jones on the weekly time frame, I did want to, like I said, I wanted to give you guys analysis on Sunday, just to give you guys a better understanding of what I'm seeing here. Depending on how this candle closes, this weekly candle closes, I do think we could start to see a potential move back to the downside probably next week, if not this week. But we have to see how this candle closes. Right now, momentum slowing just a tad bit on the weekly time frame. We do see the Kijun is starting to go flat. The Tinkerson is still aiming to the upside. This is aiming to the upside still, and this is starting to flatten out. However, the candle itself is starting to show a decline in momentum. And also, playing in this range up top where the TDI is at, we are starting to see weakness or a potential weakness in TDI as well. So that's why I'm not gonna go all in on the US 30 just yet. It is showing some weakness here, and if you look on the daily time frame, it is moving sideways. So we have a sideways market here. We already hit our 1-to-1 target with this N wave here. However, can it still go higher? It is still possible, but we have to break this level, this 1-to-1 level, to move higher up to these targets. Let's see. Can we do that? Let's see. TDI, we just had a bearish cross, and then right now it's still overall, it's still overall bullish based off the TDI. However, it is in overextended territories, which is not a good sign for the Dow Jones. So it's just a waiting game here. I don't expect nothing to happen until we break this level. And to the downside, if it is to break to the downside, I don't expect nothing to happen until we break the 45,931 level, 45K 931 level. Yeah, so that after we break that, then we'll see. But right now, it's ranging right in here. So nothing special yet. As for a trading opportunity, let's see what we got on the 4 hour. Let me remove this as well. I don't want it on here. Let's see. We just got a bearish crossover with Ichimoku, and we also have some indecision on the previous 4 hour candle. The current candle that we're looking at is bullish right now, but we still have an hour and 39 minutes for this candle to close, so it's not much to go off this time frame. And then looking at TDI, it's fighting bullish and bearish, so nothing just yet on the Dow Jones for a potential long opportunity. And then lastly, looking at the 1 hour time frame, still got a bearish crossover on the 1 hour time frame, but we do have a bullish cloud, so still nothing here yet for shorting or going long. It's just a ranging market. Wouldn't even touch this honestly for a potential trade setup. It's too dangerous for a trade, and I think it's not gonna go well. Thank you for the follow, Jeff Crom. I appreciate you. Appreciate you on Twitch. Thanks for the follow. If it's obviously it's your first time here, I'm not sure if you're into MapleStory or if you're here for the day trading aspect, but I appreciate you being here. I do teach day trading as well, and try to find good opportunities in the market before I get into some gaming. But right now, there's no opportunities that I personally see just yet, so it's just a waiting game. And sometimes that's how the market is. You just got to wait it out just to see what's going to happen next. So we'll see. But I appreciate you once again being here. I'm surprised I didn't get an alert on my screen telling me that you followed, because usually I have Twitch set up to tell me when I get a follow, but I guess I got to check that. But once again, thank you. I appreciate you. Let me see. Let's see. Let's go back. Let's see. Oh, we might have an opportunity here on the 30 minute. Let's see. Let's break this down. So we got a death cross on the hour, and we got a death cross on the 30 minute. The 30 minute time frame is showing signs of bearish momentum. By the way, those that don't know, that are for their first time on my channel or watching my stream, I trade the Japanese style called ichimoku. It's a visual, indicator. That's a system that has its own components. I won't explain everything here because it's a lot to break down, but on my educational streams I will break it down just so you guys can learn this. But looking at it now, we are seeing some resistance right at this Kijun level in the cloud, inside the cloud. So it is going to be interesting to see how this plays out. Chiku span is underneath price, showing that the market is showing signs of bearish momentum. Let's see. TDI is also showing a little bit of signs of bearish momentum, but it's still overall bullish until the red line crosses over the black. So nothing here just yet. That's why this could be a fake out, just to lure, sellers into the market, and then the market pushes back to the upside from what it looks like right now. Just jumping the gun blindly is not a good move. There needs to be a little bit more confirmation here. We do have a bearish cloud forming, a bearish crossover in the black Chiku span underneath price right here. So I do like that, but that's not enough to confirm a bearish move. TDI hasn't given me my signals to enter the trade short, so nothing here, but I will flag this to come back to it later if I remember, but I should remember this. All right, let me see. Let me check out Let me check out Bitcoin. If y'all remember the last stream, I said to buy Bitcoin in this area, and it never hit stop loss, so it did hit our profit area. It hit over 3,392 points, which is pretty solid. Um, and it actually extended above our target. So it actually might go higher than I predicted. So let's see. Let me actually go to the daily chart because that's where I'm curious about what the market's really going to do. Right now, based off the daily chart, we do have a death cross with a bearish cloud future. Chiku span is above price over here, which is this black line. Price broke the trend line. So right now, this is probably just a retest, like I said last stream. I said most likely the market, since it broke this area right here, I will use the paintbrush. I said since it broke this area right here, it's gonna come down, come back up, probably retest. I didn't think it go this far. I thought it was gonna come up to here, then start pushing lower. So it pushed a little bit higher than I predicted, which is fine either way because if you take a trade here, this is still very good profit. That's like 3,000 points, so that's pretty good money, especially if trading just a dollar lot size. So I do think since we're seeing this currently, the market is pushing into this territory, and we're gonna find out if we're gonna break to the upside or bounce to the downside like I'm looking for. As far as the market doing that currently right now at this time, there's no evidence of it going to the downside or clearing to the upside just yet. The candle, the Hakanashi candle, is pretty strong to the upside, so we might potentially break this level to the upside just looking at the momentum currently. Also, TDI is giving us bullish momentum as well from what I'm seeing. Let me see. Yeah, so we have some bullish momentum here. As far as a trading opportunity, let me see if I can find an entry. 4-hour time frame starting to slow down. If you notice here with the Hakanashi candles, I want to zoom in. If you notice here how far apart each candle is, except for in here, it closed a little bit underneath this previous candle, and this one closed higher, so this was fine. But notice here, whenever you see the candle start to slow down and they're starting to look even, that's showing you signs that the market's losing momentum. So we are seeing signs of momentum lost on the 4-hour based off the candle price. And then if you look on the 1-hour time frame, it is ranging within this box here. So this is a good sign, especially if you're going to go for a opportunity, because this could be an explosive move. Whenever you see the market range or turn into a box like this means that the market has a very good chance of exploding to the upside or the downside. So we don't know what's going to happen yet until we break this box. This is either an accumulation phase or a distribution phase in the market, where we see indecision. And how to tell if it's indecision, look, if the candles tell you what's going on, it tells you the whole story. So if you see a candle that's thin like this and it has a wick on the top and the bottom, that's signs of indecision or slowing down of the market. So we are seeing that currently. Even the current candle, which closes in 39 minutes, about 39 minutes. Yeah, we are seeing the market start to slow down right here. So I do think the market is going to halt right here. And then, like I said earlier, if you see that price gets away from this blue line here too far away, it starts to act as a magnet and wants to pull price back to this direction. So as of right now, there's no opportunity. Just sideways action. So what I will do, I'll set an alert above and I'll set alerts below. just to come back to it and see what happens in here, because I am curious what's gonna happen. Let's see. Oh, we got a nice candle there. Let me see. Are we having divergence at all? Any divergence at all? We are showing some signs of divergence, but it's not enough to confirm the entry to the downside. Let's see. Let me see TDI real quick. Right here, it is showing signs of momentum starting to pick up to the downside. I do see that. So let me mark that right here. I'm going to have to wait for 29 minutes for this candle to close to confirm if this is a good entry or not. If not, I'm going to have to go down to the 15-minute to confirm anything, because it is showing some signs of bearish activity building up in here. So we might see big money start to sell off in this area on Bitcoin. The only thing is, I don't like, as this for opportunity to go short, I don't like the fact that price, that the Chiku span is starting to, get closer to the price. I want to see it underneath price to really confirm a short opportunity, but right now it's not concise. There's no reason to go short yet, besides divergence, but that's about it. But nothing, nothing really to push that move yet, in my opinion. Let me see. Let me go to the, let's check out. So right now I'm going to check out oil. I am going to put a flag on Bitcoin. I'm going to come back to it. I have a flag on US 30, gold. Actually, I'm going to take it off on gold. I don't want to look at gold tonight. It doesn't look like an opportunity. I'm going to look at US oil as well. Check that out on the daily charts. So on the daily time frame of oil, we are seeing some rejection here. Price got rejected at this cloud level, and we also have some strong resistance here as well. So this could have been a supply zone here where sellers came into the market. We have a demand zone down here. So what market might end up doing, let me turn this off. Market might end up just bouncing in between these levels from what it's looking like. If we were to go down to the hour time frame, you could see it a lot cleaner, these moves, how to enter the market. So honestly, if I had, this would have been a good trade had I seen this earlier. How many hours ago was this? How many hours ago? So, okay. So about 3 days ago. Apparently this is saying 3 days ago because this was, let's see. Yeah, so this was Friday close, around Friday at 1 p.m. this level. So had I seen this on Friday, I probably should have looked to go short here. What was Friday's close? Market closed right here on Friday. And then Sunday market opened up, pushed a little bit higher than Monday, which was right here. Monday, we start to see the market slow down, and then we start to see the drop Monday. So I wish I had seen this, because this was a easy trade, to be honest. Because if you're trading based off of the supply and demand, and then also looking at this market, there's a head and shoulder pattern here. Let me teach y'all that real quick. There's a head and shoulder pattern Right here we got the left shoulder, we got the head, and then we got the right shoulder here. And then you see the market just tank to the downside, breaking the neckline right in here. Wait. Right in here. This was the neckline. So this was a very strong move to the downside. Even without Ichimoku, this was a very strong move. Also, looking at TDI, there was also some bearish divergence here as well. So those that don't know what divergence is, I'm going to do a little quick lesson on that real quick, just so y'all understand what y'all looking at, because I don't want to leave y'all ignorant or blind to by what I'm teaching or what I'm saying. But so when you have price push high and then it makes a higher high, so let me draw this out better. So we have a high here, so this is a high, and then right here is a higher high, so HH for higher high. But then on the bottom where you have your other indicator, we see it make a, hold on a second. We have a high here, and then we have a lower high, so HLH for lower high. So when the market is conflicting, when you see the price going higher and the indicator going lower, that's a sign of divergence, saying that the market has a strong chance of reversal. It has like a 80% chance of reversing. It's not always 100%. It's not always going to reverse, because nothing is guaranteed in trading. Trading is a game of probability. It's not gambling, because a lot of people do not learn to trade because they think it's gambling. Trading is like probability. Those that play like MapleStory, y'all understand RNG, right? So when you look at the market, it's having RNG more in your favor to go according to your strategy and what you see in the market. So this would have been a very good trade. I wish I had seen this on Friday. I probably would have looked to enter on it, but I should have marked this level up because it's a strong level of support or resistance, and it's a strong supply zone as well. If you look back, look what happened here. So it's just repeating. All the market is doing is just repeating back here the same thing, just a repeat. But like I said, the more you know about trading, the better it is, and the more profit you can make from trading. So as far as an opportunity for this, I'm still looking for a price to go lower. I would have to come down to the 5 minute to find anything, maybe the 15. Let's see. I'm still betting this is coming to the downside, even though there is divergence, bullish divergence on the smaller time frame. I do think the market will push down here before it reverses. Just based off what I'm seeing currently. Momentum's there, price is there. I do like it. I do think the price will push down into this green zone right in here. So I do like it. I think it's going to be good for a short. Anybody a root beer fan at all? That's what I'm drinking currently right now, just to chill my mind. So today, this was my day today. So today, just pretty much, if y'all weren't here for the story, caught a squirrel today in the cage. Had it released. Then also cut the grass today as well. I didn't really get to look at the charts today. I had to find a new broker today, because last night when I was trying to trade, I found out literally last minute that my broker that I've been trading with is what's happening? They're pretty much shutting down. So I have to find a new broker and transfer my funds to another broker. So I'm testing out this new broker that I'm, looking at right now currently. So if anybody is trading with Vital Market, don't trade with them anymore because they're shutting down. I didn't even get an email for it, so I'm kind of salty about that. I had to go to their website to even find out that they're even closing down. So I was a little salty because they could take my money. But anyway, once again, I just think uh, I do think oil's coming down. So I'm gonna put a flag on that as well. Got 4 minutes and 37 seconds for this candle to close. Before this closes, but also seeing if we can't break this level, so let me draw it up so y'all can see it, because I just realized something as I'm talking. We do have some support here, and like I said, we do have divergence. But that's not enough, to go to the upside to me. I do think once price breaks this level, we will see it drop. However, I need that confirmation first. I want to see what I want to see to even take a chance, taking that opportunity. I want to see in this area. I want to see this red line cross over that black line right there. Once we cross over, then I'll be more inclined to go for a short opportunity, but right now I don't like it for taking a trade just yet. That's why trading, it forces you to be patient and sit on your hands until the opportunity comes. Because if you're just trading and you're like, just YOLO, free ball, whatever you call it, whatever you want to call it, you're going to lose a lot of money. and you're not sticking to a strategy. So if you're not sticking to a strategy, you're most likely going to lose the money that you have. But right now, there's nothing that I see yet. I do prefer this move to the downside just because the momentum is there. Even with this thick cloud, look how thick she is. She's saying she wants to go down, and that's what I'm leaning towards. So nothing yet. I'm still leaning bears for oil, for the Dow Jones on the, let me see the time frame, the 30-minute time frame. Still nothing yet. Even though right now it's trying to fight its way to go up. Let's see. It's just going to be a battle here. So what I will do, I will put a alert right here for the Dow Jones. So if it's going to trigger later, it'll let me know to look at this price. As far as Bitcoin, still no opportunity on Bitcoin yet. So there's no opportunities tonight. It's a Monday. So Monday is slow for the market. Market is usually trying to figure out what it wants to do. But right now there's not much that the market wants to do. So I'm not thrilled right now for taking anything. There's no reason to rush or to fight anything right now. It's just all a matter of just being patient and sitting on our hands right now. So nothing right now. I'm not going to worry about it. Until then, I'm just keep waiting and wait for one of my alerts to hit. If it hits on the stream, it might not even hit on stream. It might even hit off stream. So if you want to join my Discord, I just made a fresh new Discord. The fresh new Discord, just hit ! Discord, or go to the link in the description that you see on YouTube, and you'll see, and you can join the Discord. Called Cloud Life Continental. So if y'all want to join just for updates of anything or learn how to day trade for yourself and make money, go for it. I'm not gonna force y'all to do anything y'all don't want to do. So let me see. Let me look at one more chart. I'm gonna look at XRP, and then I'm gonna play some MapleStory, and then we'll go from there. Let's start off with the daily time frame. Ooh, this is looking bad. Let me mark this real quick. Sometimes when I see this, I'm like, man, I wish I got this opportunity. This was a big opportunity. So let me tell y'all a story how I got into day trading. I started taking it more serious in like 2020. I've been knowing how to trade since 2015, right? But I didn't take it as serious. So there was a time when I was, those that have followed me for a while, they all know I was a personal trainer first. Then I was into MMA, was training for that before I had my back injury. Um, that messed me up for a long time. But looking at this chart and seeing how far I've come, it's interesting because when I started trading back in 2015 ish, yeah, about 2015, uh, not knowing nothing, not knowing how to trade, it was funny because I was working as a personal trainer. I was working at the UFC gym, and then at that time, I had to make more money just because I was dating at the time, and women ain't cheap. So I was working at Walmart too, on top of working at the gym, and it got to the point where I said, I couldn't renew my personal trainer's license at the time because I wasn't making that much. Because personal training, when you're starting off as a personal trainer, you don't make that much, and then other stuff. So that door was kind of shut. But then I started to take trading a little bit serious, but not as serious. So I was working for this warehouse at the time, and it was called Ducky Bob's at the time, but now the name changed to like Marquee Rentals or something like that. But I was working at this warehouse, and me, I'm not opposed to hard work or hard labor, right? But it gets to a point in your life where you're tired of working that 9 to 5 life, and you're like, ugh, I'm like 9 to 5 life is not it. It's not it. Especially when you have big dreams and goals and stuff that you want to do in life. You want to have freedom. You want to have time. You want to manage your life how you want to manage your life, right? So it got to a point where I'm like, okay, God help me with this trading because I don't want to do this, right? So at the time, the girl I was dating at the time, uh, I had quit my job to focus on day trading. Now, she hated that idea. She was pissed off. I only had like $1,000. The reason why I'm telling the story because I just want to inspire. It's just one person out there what trading could potentially do for you. Like, and if you go to my YouTube channel, you could see other like live trades I've done, and I'll tell you another story after this. But during that time, me not knowing what I know now, if I knew what I knew now, it'd be different. But at that time, when I had that $1,000 in trading and I quit my job, 2 weeks later, I promise you, in 2 weeks, I turned that $1,000 into $10,000 in 2 weeks with very little knowledge on trading. But just the stuff that I did understand and know about trading, I said, "There's no way I'm gonna go back to 9 to 5. This is stupid." You know what I mean? Because it's when you see it like money that you've never really seen before in like a short amount of time, like making 10 grand in 2 weeks. That's life changing, and like it might not be to like real like people that make a lot of money, but for like someone that's like wasn't making that much, yeah, that's a lot, and then compounding that over time, and then you could increase that by 3% every other day or every other week or the month or whatever. That adds up real quick. That's why trading, I just recommend gamers learn to day trade that because it makes sense. You're already at the desk, so why not learn to day trade? It just makes the most sense to me. But anyway, the next story that I did want to share when it comes to day trading, um, it's a YouTube video I posted on my channel. It's when I turned 15. About I believe it was $50. Yeah, it was $50. I turned $50 into $15,000. Um, that was when crypto was going crazy at the time. When crypto was just like really on fire, I was finding opportunities. I was mainly day trading XRP because XRP was one of those high volatile markets that move like this. Like you just once it moves, it takes off, right? So I was day trading XRP a lot, and if you go to my Twitter page, you can see my receipts on keeping track of that. But if you scroll down enough, you'll see it. But I also have the video to where I was showing you what trades I was taking step by step, the process of it, and then the withdrawal at that time. So this was, I'm trying to remember the year because years slipped my mind, but I think this was 2019, 2018 that I made that video and took that trade. But knowing what I know now, if I had known what I know back then, boy, trading the game be a lot different. A lot different. But I hope this inspired somebody. I'm not really good at inspirational speeches. So if you're here for that, I'm not the best for that. But I could tell you what it's done for me, and it's potentially it could be you. That's all I could say. That's all I'll say. As far as XRP right now, I don't like this. It is slowing down big time right here. We are underneath the cloud, and we are at a resistance as well. We're at dynamic resistance because of the blue line and the red line here. But I need to get rid of this because this is not needed. But looking at the overall picture, I would lean more to the downside just for now, just based off the information now, because information could change in the next 24 hours. Or this candle closes in 23 hours, so it really doesn't matter. But looking at it, it is showing weakness. It is also showing some hidden bearish divergence as well. So I might actually look to short this soon. Ooh, excuse me. So what hidden bearish divergence is? Let me teach y'all right now. Let me take Ichimoku off the chart so y'all can see it a little clearer. Cause I like educating you guys so y'all could, probably mess with the chart for yourself or be interested in learning how to trade yourself. So I'll just give you a little nugget. So right here and here, we're gonna focus on these 4 spots, right? So this is the opposite of bullish divergence, but this is hidden bearish divergence. So what this is, you have a high and a lower high on price, and then you have a high and a higher high on the indicator of your choice, right? So TDI is showing me it's making a higher high while the price is making lower highs. So this is showing us bearish divergence. Let me see as well. We also have a shark fin here too. This could be a trading signal, but this is an aggressive approach. I don't always trade aggressively, but based off what I'm seeing, I do like that aggressive approach because we have a reversal right here that's potentially building up based off the candle. Still too early to call. Let me see something real quick. We have 3 hours and 5 minutes for this candle to close, so I definitely won't be streaming by that time. So I won't be able to give you guys a breakdown of what's going on here. But once this candle closes, I'll have a better understanding of what's happening. The other way I could figure that out is because looking at the 1 hour time frame, I'm seeing that as well starting to build up. So I might just go short when this 1 hour candle closes in the next, how many minutes? 5 minutes? Yeah, about 5 minutes. So in about 5 minutes, I think I'll go short on XRP because it looks like a good move. I'm not gonna lie, it looks like a good move here. I also had a signal on Bitcoin, but it never triggered. Let me see what happened here. Looks like Bitcoin's trying to break to the upside. Let's see. I like that the alert goes to my phone and not loud on the screen. So let's see. Oh yeah, well, we're starting to get that breakout right now. Yeah, we're definitely starting to get that breakout. So, ooh, tough call though, because this could still be a fake out because it's not breaking above yet. And then the other reason, also just got a signal on US 30, so it looks like the market's about to start moving. It might, yeah, well, it makes sense because London session's coming up. So London session's probably starting to make its move in its rounds right now. Try to probably fake people out in here and get people into the market to liquidate their positions to make the real move. So I'm still waiting. I don't believe that's the move yet. I don't believe that's the move yet. Not yet. I've been tricked so many times in this market. Hey, what's up? Look, what's up, Leg? How we doing, man? Appreciate you being here. Haven't seen your vids in a few years. Glad you popped up. Yeah, man, I'm glad I popped up in your recommendations too. It's been a minute. It's just been one of those things where stepping back from social media and just, focusing on myself and my life and my, just getting stuff in order. But I appreciate you joining, man. It's been a minute. I am going to start being consistent. This is my second stream back. I know that back then I used to say I'm a stream, and then I won't show up for like a whole week, or a whole month, and then I come back, surprise, I'm back. But no, I want to be more consistent. The market is starting to look interesting, which was the main reason why I wasn't really interested in the market in making videos, because the market wasn't really interesting. I just wanted to focus on trading and, making my trading a lot sharper than what it is. The best thing about trading is always perfecting your craft, making your skills better, and trying to take it to the next level. But I appreciate you, man, for being here, for real. Let's see. Bitcoin is making its move. Let me check out US 30. Looks like it's starting to make its move. Looks like it's trying to break to the upside. The only thing I don't like, once again, is not breaking this level. See here how it's failing to break that level. It is showing, like, if you look at this on a smaller time frame, you do have this ascending triangle formation, but right now it's, we have to break that level to obviously go higher. So once we get a break here, my target points will be somewhere like up here, or maybe the next high right here, because that's where I can see the market will struggle next, or have some fight right in here. So we'll see what happens. It's too early to call this move yet, but this is where I want to see the market play before I even make a move. And also TDI is tightening up too, so it's gonna be interesting how this plays out. This is starting to get wider apparently, so this might actually be a really big move here, whether it be to the upside or the downside. It's just a waiting game. I'm gonna put alerts at this level right there. I'm gonna put an alert at this level just to come back to it. Oh no, I already hit. I don't need that right now. But we're gonna see what happens here. The only thing that I could say right now, based off TDI, it is giving a small bullish signal, but that signal is not enough for me, because it's not breaking this level, so I don't like it. Like I said, just waiting. I do want to see it push here because it could potentially do that. Oh, it looks like it's trying to do that. Oh, this candle looks strong now compared to the last one. So we actually might get that break. TDI is starting to build up bullish momentum. Like, let me show y'all. We're starting to get, we got that bounce off this level here. And we're starting to see this line starting to break above this base here. And then it is overall bullish because it is above the 50 based off the 30-minute. But if I'm going to go risky, this is what I would look for. Have a very tight stop loss underneath here. Pushing into this zone right there. This is what I'm looking for. This is the potential move. Not a big move. It's about like, how many points is this? It's like 10,000 points. No, that's crazy. Is this 10,000? No, that's crazy. It can't be 10,000. No, this is about 108 points. I was reading this wrong. Yeah, about 108 points, which is actually massive. But we'll see. I like this. I think I'll take the risk for a long here. So let me go ahead and open up a position. US 30. What was that? US 30? Yes. 30 minutes. Yeah, let's go for a long. Let's see. Turn that on. Oh boy, why is it not? Oh, I see. I'm like, why is it not letting me do this? All right, simple, easy, peasy move. All right, I just put in some positions on my trading account just to see how we do. So yeah, this is gonna be aggressive entry on US 30. Hopefully, London session gets some get some nuts and push this market to the upside, and we'll see how this plays out. We will see how this plays out. I am gonna have this very tight though, because this market could get real ugly in here. And I still got 26 minutes for it to close. So it's gonna be a while. It is gonna be a while. All right, I think that is, for now, that's what I'm gonna look at for trades. I'm gonna get into some gaming. So we're gonna play some MapleStory. I'm gonna do some bossing today. I need to get better at my bossing because I want to do a lot more bosses. So we're gonna switch over so y'all can see the chart while I'm playing the game, and y'all could chat about that. And those that don't know, I am multi-streaming. I am streaming on YouTube and Twitch right now, so just to let you guys know. So my current mark right now, what you see on the chart in the bottom left corner, that's what I'm trading. So US 30 is what we're looking at. That's my mark. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this gaming. We're not gonna do nothing crazy. We're just gonna get into it. Just you know, something different today. Nothing too crazy. I am not doing dailies. I am not doing that because I do think dailies bore people. And then also, I could always do those off stream anyway. So I'm gonna come back to the charts. I just wanted to keep the charts on the screen for you guys to look at. And then, dang, I have so much stuff. Dang, this this is cluttered. Oh, this is bad. Let me go ahead and throw some stuff out. I don't have a lot of room either. Boom. Actually, might keep that. Keeping that. Not doing a WAP today. Dang, I can't really throw much away. Because I do need these to upgrade my familiar cards. Oh man, I need to get this cleaned out. I need to throw this away, throw that away. Let's see. Throw that away. Alright. We're gonna do some bosses. Hopefully I don't embarrass myself with these bosses, because sometimes I suck at doing bosses. I'm not gonna lie. Ever since I left Reboot server, I have not been that good with my bossing. And I think that's just because I don't do too much bossing on this account. I do it more so on my Reboot account. And even then I'm rusty on that one anyway, so it really don't matter. Let's see, bam. Alright, I think we're good. Oh yeah, I forgot. There we go. Oh, I just got an alert on my phone for US 30. What's it looking like? Let me check real fast. Okay, still nothing. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, Valerie's online. Okay, cool. Let me think. What boss do I want to run? So I'll do Lotus. I'll attempt to do Lucid. Because that boss drives me nuts. So y'all, that might make me rage. So I don't know. And then I'll try Varus Healer. So I'll do those 3 bosses. And then we'll call it a stream. Alright, let's see. I think I got everything set. Yeah, I think I got everything set. Got my fams out right there, so let me put them back so I don't waste their juice. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Also, do I have a... Oh, no, I didn't get no coupon. No, I need to get a coupon first. Claim my coins. Hey, I'm gonna get it to 40 today probably. Let's see. Let's see. Here we go. I'm gonna get about... I'm gonna get 3 of these. And let's see. What else do I need? Dang, what else do I need? Like thinking about it on the top of my head, I'm like trying to remember. Actually, I might get 2 of these as well. No, 3 of these. No, we'll take 2. We'll take 2. We're good. And I do need 1 more thing, 2 more things. Yep, here we go. I'll get 4 of each. Now we should be good to go. Oh, I had some already. Oof. That's all good. Alright, we're good. We're good to go now. Alright, let's go do this. Let's see. see, I got another notification. All right. Let's see. Let's pop this. Pop that. I don't think I'll need this, so whatever. Pop that. And I don't have I don't have guild skills, so we have hands regardless. We're about that life, so let's go. All right. All right, we should be good. Oh no, I'm lagging. Okay, next phase. All right, we're warming up. This ain't even the hard boss either. Ooh. Oh, I messed that up. I love these 2-minute changes because I'm about to go on my burst again. But I messed up because I bound him, so it's kind of sucky. Am I binding my burst or not together right now? So I have to wait like another 42 seconds. So pretty much made myself 3 minutes for no reason. Ooh, no stun. No. Ooh. Ooh, that was bad. I was about to freak. I was about to freak out. Let's see. Mm-mm. Okay. I still got hit by that. That's crazy. Okay, now I can bind. Bind you. Okay, I don't want to finish him off just yet. I'm gonna save my burst. I'm gonna DP him out, so I'm gonna just stall. Oh, but my summon might kill it. So nope. Gotta change that. Hold on a second. There we go. Come down here, buddy. Oh. Dang. Oh, okay. Let's see. $16 and I could get out of here. Oh, what is this? No. Okay. Alright, here we go. Okay, we're out. 12 seconds for origin and we're good. Ooh, ooh, he's getting me. Oh, that timing was perfect. Because I would have been a disaster if I did time that right. Whoa, so much lasers. Hold on a second. Okay, buddy. I wonder if we're going to get a drop today. Oh, man. Put it down, put it down. Oh, it got me. Okay, we're out. GG's. Hope I get something good. Let's see. Do we get something good today? Do I hit? inventory. Yes, here. All right, do I hit today? Let's see. Ah, nothing. Hmm. Yep, nothing today. It's all good. Sometimes you just don't hit. Okay. Now this next boss, y'all might see me actually rage. So I'm really thinking, do I want to do this boss or not? These next two are these bosses are ridiculous. Mm-mm. Especially this one. This one is. It's not that it's hard. It's that the mechanics that it's frustrating because of what it does. Because you get randomly teleported over the map and then you just randomly die and you're just like, wow. So that's why I'm like, okay, y'all will see the nonsense I'm talking about. Those that never played this, y'all will see the nonsense of this boss sometimes. All right, let me add my Tengu buff and we're good. Tengu, let's go. Wait, do I have? I don't. Well, all or nothing. Here we go. Actually, I'm gonna wait 20 seconds for my origins because I'm not gonna go into this boss like a target. All right, here we go. Let's see. All right, we're ready. Ooh, let's go. Okay, got this. Got this. Got this. Ooh, don't die there. Don't die there. Do not die there. Oh my god, this boss is already giving me a hard time. See what I mean? Like, this, I just got back and died instantly. Like, this boss is something else, man. No, wait. Oh crap, I messed up. Dude, how did I die there? I wonder if I even have Fatal on. Well, see what this boss is? Oh god, this boss makes me sick. Building up a little too much over here. Oh my god. Help. Come on. There's no way. I don't think I'm going to make it to the next phase. Wow, okay. This game is cheating. This game stays cheating, I swear. Then I gotta find my way through a barricade here. Oh, come on. What side is he on? Ooh, that's close. Oh my god, what is this? Oh my god, I barely got out of there alive. Okay. Why is he still alive? Dang, see, the mechanics of this boss is retarded. Like, you get a bomb, but you can't do nothing about the bomb. When even if you are sitting in the bubble, if you get hit by something, you're really done. So, like, it's crazy. I got 5 lives to work with too. This is crazy. I gotta get out of this phase, like, quick. All right, get out of here, get out of here, get out of here. Yes. Oh my god. Oh, this boss is something else, man. This boss is something else. And phase 3 is the worst if you don't have the damage for it. I need to lock in because there ain't no way. Where'd she go? Oh, there she is. No. Ooh, ooh. Alright, lock in. Lock in. Okay. Okay. Alright, we're locked in. We are locked in. Oh, she teleported. Where's she at? How dare you hide from me? Oh my god. Alright, 4 lives to work with, y'all. I need a cleanse too. Oh my god, she's right there. And the dragon? Oh my goodness, she's just doing too much right now. Freak. Come on. Oh, why she always gotta do that? Why? Where's she at? Where's she at? Where's she at? There she is. Alright, so far so good. Okay, so far so good. If we could get her down to 4 right now, we'll be good. Oh, she's cheating. You thought. Should I cleanse here? Oh my gosh, sickles again. Okay, I need to cleanse. Dang it. I'm gonna cleanse up here. Of course she does lasers and dragon at the same time. That's crazy. That was crazy. I don't even... Alright. Dang missed my opportunity. Oh my god, I'm sick. I'm sick of that. I am sick of that. That's crazy. I missed my opportunity. I really messed that up just now. Let's see. Help. Oh my god. Ooh. That was greedy. That was hella greedy on my part. I'm not gonna lie, that was hella greedy. Ooh. No, you don't. Oh my god, what is this, balls? I'm gonna save my origin for last because there's no way I'm gonna beat her without it. Crap, why'd I do that? I am tripping myself up right now. There was no way to get out of that. My iframe did not come back in time. Okay, I need to cleanse because she's about to do that stupid thing. Here we go. Dude, really? Come on. That's what I'm talking about. These cheap deaths by this boss, they're cheap. They're like cheap deaths. Like, okay, I gotta get her down to 2 at this point, cause she is playing with me. No. Please live. Oh my god. I would have been super salty had I died right there. Where's she at? Where's she at? Where's she at? Oh my god. Get her down to 1 at least, please. 1. There we go. Come here. Ooh. Cleanse. We're not taking any chances right there. She gets a lot of freebie kills and it's be annoying. Okay. 52 seconds. One life. We got this. Why? Oh my god, that almost took me out. Her patterns are crazy today. Oh, come on. Oh my god, why is she summoning him right now? Okay, where's she at? Dude, why? Why? Thank you. God, thank you. Because I was about to be mad right there had I got that cheap kill. If I died right there, that would have been the cheapest death. Alright, just got alert on US 30. Oh man, I think I could burst her here. Okay, here we go. Final one. Oh my god, I don't know if I have the damage for this. I don't think I have the damage for this boss. I don't have the damage for it. This sucks. Yeah, it's over. Oh, this boss sucks, man. Don't even have the damage for it. For the final phase. All that hard work just to get timed out. That's sickening. I don't have the damage for that. Yeah, there was no way to win that. Even if I... Oh, that sucks. Anyway, let me check on US 30. Let's see what is going on over here. Let's go to the charts. All right. Okay, looks like, let's see. There we go. Oh, wrong thing, wrong thing. Let's go to the 5 minute. Now, okay, let me see. Oh, excuse me. Oh man, no. So here, what I'm seeing, because I'm really trying to break this down in my mind. It is hitting this level, the stop, but I don't think this is the end of this market. Uh, Only reason, let me take this off real quick. Wow, this double click mouse. Here we go. Notice at this level, yeah, about right in here. Notice that in this inside this level, how market responds in here. So what I'm thinking, so this is probably liquidate some people. So let me take this off because that's what it's looking like. Seeing this, I do think now that I'm looking at it clearer, I do think we're gonna come down a little more in here. Then I should start looking because right now this is early. That was an early, like I said, it was an aggressive move, which is not high probability. It's just real aggressive getting into the market, which can work sometimes, but no, you don't want to do that too often. But looking at it, I think it's gonna come in here first. So I'm gonna put an alert here and go from there. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna stick with for now. Ooh, excuse me. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with that. Here. And then we'll get this. This is the move I'm looking for. Right here. Yep, and starting to push down. I just need that candle confirmation to confirm that move though. I don't have that confirmation yet, but that's what I want to see. I want to see the market slow down in here. We're already starting to get closer to the volatility band, which is where the move will be made. So if market could stall out right in here, yeah, I could see this market moving to the upside. I'm still leaning upside. It's just right now it's more of an aggressive entry. So back to the waiting game. 57 seconds for this candle to close. So we'll see. Keep getting an alert on my phone. Let's see. Knock that off. All right. Yeah, so I'm gonna do this. This is gonna be the move here. Based on the what time frame? Yeah, we're gonna get aggressive. A little aggressive, but not too aggressive. I think we're gonna move here. With these candles, I can't tell if there's a. Let me go back to normal candles. There is a fair market gap here. It's a big gap too. There's a fair market gap right there, but I don't want to trade that. Gotta stick with the Hikanashi for now. Let me see. Oh, whatever happens here is gonna be the big move. I feel it. Whether it goes up or down, I'm just. Let's see. Cause I really don't want to mess this one up, but because the volatility is getting big, that's why I see that. Like, look how far these volatility bands are. Like, look how much they're expanding. So right now, it's really hard to say if it does not hold here and it breaks down. Oh yeah, this thing's crashing. This thing's gonna just. And I'm hoping this has the strength to hold here for now. But we will see because right now it's hard to really tell. It's hard to tell right now. We got indecision. Now we got a bearish candle, but it's all gonna come. It's gonna come down to if this crosses over or not. Because if it does, then now this is donezo. It's over. It's over. Let's see. Yeah, this is an aggressive move here, but that's what I'm sticking with for now. Let me see. Let me go down to the 5 minute. If we could, this is where we need to hold to push higher. You're already starting to see it starting to fade here. Because notice here, look at these two candles. These two current ones right here. Let me circle what I'm looking at. These two look similar to these over here. Well, not really, but as far as the height is what I'm saying. So what I need to confirm here to go to the upside, I need a purple candle next. If we get a purple candle here next, we're off to the upside. But that's why I'm like, ooh, this is still early, but it's aggressive entry. That's early, but that's what I want to see though, for it to really confirm that move up. Because if not, this thing's coming down, and we're close to volatility bands here, so it still could be a liquidity grab here, push low, and then spike it up. But that's why I'm like, this area is a tricky one. Honestly, I probably should have waited a little bit longer. Probably could even break it down even to the 1 minute, because the 1 minute time frame is actually doing what I'm saying. You see that it's actually doing that, but I do see potential for it to come a little bit deeper into here, then push off. But like I said, I play the aggressive game. I do want this to go up, but you just never know. Let's see. Let's see. Let's go for it. All right, we're gonna kill time. We're gonna go to the next boss. We don't got time to be wasting. Let's see. All right. Oh man, I don't even know if I could beat this next boss. Mm, what the shot? I don't know. This boss, I cleared it only one time, but I had. Oh yeah, did I not collect my? Hold on a second. Or did it? Did it reset? No, I had to reset. It resets tomorrow. Okay, cool. All right, I don't have to worry about this. All right, let's go for it. Oh man, I hate this boss so much. Let's see. This one's way worse than the last one to me, as far as skill wise and like. But we're gonna see. This. Let me get that one out. Let me put. Let's see which one I want in the game. I want to put this one in. So 8 attack, chance of 20. This one. Nope, I need this one. Unfortunately. All right, time to go for it. Let's see what we got. Oh, whoa. What else? Let's go for that one. All right, I think we're good for now. Lost one. Okay, that's one string. Okay, I'll play with 2 for now. Get over here, girl. Like, what are you doing? Oh, she's cheesing. Like, what is this? Okay, I guess I gotta open it. Of course she does that. She hit me from that far. That's crazy. I never would have thought that. Alright, bring you back over here. Come on. Ooh, no. Ooh. Heal me, dang it. Heal me. Oh my god, what's my fams doing? Goodness. They are not helping me. Oh, crap, why'd I do that? Okay, I'm gonna just play 2 for now. Oh my goodness. Okay, lock in, because she's getting annoying. Freak. Oh my goodness. Play with 2. Ooh. Come on, teleport over here. There we go. Okay, we're doing good right now. I just need to stay focused. Her range is insane. Oh my god. Oh, this game's so cheese. Like, what is this? Like, there's no way I lost like that. I thought I killed Lotus, so I wasn't even worried about it no more. Do I even have the right fams out? Because I was not getting healed for nothing. Let me see. Do I have the right fams on? Restores a large amount, blah blah blah. Restores a large amount, blah blah blah. I feel like I'm being lied to because this was not restoring like nothing. We gotta go again. Cause I feel like I got played there. You know what I'll do? I also do the house buff. Receive tag. There we go. Alright, if I do not complete it on this run, we're gonna call it a night. Let's see. Bam, going back. Let me check on the trade real fast. Alright, so far we're good. This boss is so okay. Maybe I could clear it. Where are my fams? I'm gonna draw her out to the open. Oh man, this girl. Okay, here we go. Oh, she got me? Wow, that's crazy. Okay, let's take a string. Take a string. She already destroyed the altar. And I stringed again. Alright. Take a string. You know, wait, no, it couldn't be. Alright, after the warning, I'll burst. Okay, FMA, let's go in the corner. Let's put everything up. Bind. So far, everything's going smooth, just like last time, but I don't know what went wrong. I was not gonna dodge that in time. She still hit me with that? What? That range is crazy. Okay. I'm gonna cheese a little bit. Oh my gosh, he strung me. My god, this string crap is crazy. Yes. Oh my god. That was literally GG's if she had hit me with that. Oh my god. Okay, we're doing better than last run, so I'll take it. Oh my god. Come on, let's go. Dude, why they keep on pushing it on her? Like, dang. Oh, come on, come on. Why'd I jump into that string? Dude, what? Why? Why? Why is she in that corner? Why is she not coming to the corner? This is game. I swear they pick and shoot. See that crap? She stalled all that time. I'm not playing that. Dude, bind. Okay, we're doing fine. Here comes Cheeky Lotus. Get out of that corner, please. Ooh. Oh my god, he's back. It's Damien, I can't. He's worse. Move. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why'd I do that? Okay, we could lose one. I don't even care. We could lose one. We could lose one. Because we're not about to lose 3 or 2. Because that'd be crazy right now. Especially right now. Oh my god. Oh, that hit me. Oh my god. Okay, we gotta get her to this corner because this is not it. Okay, GG's, we won. Come on, come on. Come on, get her out of here. Get her out of there. Come on, get her out. Yes. Yes. Oh my god. She's out. Oh boy, that was. Ugh. I don't like that, but we did it. That was a win. GG's. GG's. Oh, let me get rid of this. I still gotta get used to this UI. Let's see. Yep. And what else? Yup. Wait. Here we go. Okay, we should be fine. Give me something good. Ah, not a thing. Ooh, that boss was insane. I'll take it. A win's a win. A win's a win. All right. Let me see what this is. Artifact award. Let's see how much I get. I still won't have enough. That's fine. Bink. Guardian. All right, I'm almost to leveling it. It's close. It's close. All right. Let me see. Genesis. We're getting there. All right. Let's see. All right, we are going to call it a night. I appreciate you guys for joining me on this stream. Hope it was to y'all's liking. I got to see a little bit of trading, some gaming tonight. We'll be back we'll look to see on Wednesday. Look for Wednesday for me to be back to streaming. Uh, Other than that, I hope you guys enjoy the stream. God bless you guys. I hope you guys come back. Thanks for the new follows. Thank you, Jeff Chrome, for following tonight. I hope to see you next time and hope to chat it up with you. Other than that, God bless you guys. Y'all have a good night. I'm going to go chill. I am done.